Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you like how you can cancel your east-west credit card services, or you can say east-west credit card account. So all official step you can see on your screen. So let's get started. The only method to cancel your you can say east-west credit card, that is via calling method. You need to dial this number. As you can see on your screen, this is the official phone number. Like you can see on your screen right now, like this is the number. You need to dial this number, and once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your credit card, and they will cancel your card very easily. And this is the only method by which you can cancel your credit card. Hopefully this video will helpful for you, and if it's not, please make a comment how can I help you. And if your video is helpful, then make a comment. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. This is the only method to cancel your east-west credit card. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.